Hello everyone, welcome back. In previous video we have discussed basic block diagram of a computer and we have discussed various component. So in this video we will start from in previous video we have discussed basic block diagram of computer. So now let us move ahead. Now we will discuss component of a computer. Here this is a cross-cut figure of a computer. In this there are various components, for example peripheral devices, that is monitor, keyboard, mouse. Then there is a USB and audio connectors pin. Then there is a heatsink and assembly, motherboard, CPU, router, modem, RAM. Now I can classify this basic component into two. The first one is a hardware component. A hardware component is a physical entity that is your part of your computer. For example, monitor, CPU. So let us discuss it. First of all is a keyboard. Keyboard is we all know it is a input device. That means it is used to take input from a user and provide the data to your computer. Then mouse, also input device. Printer, it is a output device which is used to retrieve data and to print it, to retrieve data from computer and to print. So it is your output device. Then processor, it is a key hardware component of your computer. If you have a computer but no processor, then there it is of no use. So it will be of no use. Like in our body, if there is a no brain, then what it means? Okay, so processor is responsible for all the basic operation that is needed to perform on data according to your instruction, which is already stored in your computer. Then there is a hard drive, it is a storage unit which is used to store data. But over here, hard drive is a volatile, non-volatile kind of memory. Your hard drive is a non-volatile kind of memory. That means we can store our data into a hard drive even if power is off. Whereas RAM, that is your primary memory, RAM is your volatile memory. That means your data will be gone whenever power is off. Headphone, but obviously we will use for many purpose. Okay, then USB connector to connect your computer and your phone or various other devices so that we can transfer our file, our data. Okay, now there is a software component. Now first of all let us discuss what is a software. A software, also called as a program, that tells the computer what task to perform and how to perform them. So why it is called software? It is not like hardware, they have no physical existence, but they are present logically. Their existence is in logical term. They are predefined and are used to provide a special functionality. In this figure you can see that there are software and common applications. Software can be of various kind of, for example, system software, application software, utility software, computer security programs. So systems, these are the further classification of this software. So whenever we already have heard the term, for example window, Microsoft Microsoft Window, then Linux, Android. iOS. What is this? These are the system softwares. That means your operating system. This system software can be your operating system or it can be your utility programs. For example, Windows operating system. What is that? So operating system, that is your system software, is a collection of a program that is dedicated to manage your computer itself. That means your core function of system software is to manage your computer itself. Okay, so your system software can be operating system or a utility programs. Then there is a application software. Okay, application software are software dedicated to end user. For example, me, I am using Microsoft PowerPoint for this preparation. So this is your application software, and also I am using some software to record this screen. So this is also your application software. So application software is dedicated to end user. Other application software are Microsoft Word, Microsoft Office. Okay, this Microsoft suite, that is Microsoft Office, is a application. It is a collection of a application software. We can create, manipulate our data. We can create various document, for example PDF, PowerPoint presentation, doc file, Excel sheet, using Microsoft Office application suite. Then there is a utility software. Now this utility software, we cannot directly use it, but it features our program so that they can work more efficiently. For example, there are many utility software packages we can install, so that we can play video games or play videos in our web browser efficiently. Then computer security, last but not least least type, security. It is in this cloud era, the security is more concern factor. So there has to be some software or a program that take care of our security. For example, Avast, it is a security purpose application. Now let us understand the difference between a system software and application software. System software maintain the system resources and give path for application software to run, whereas application software is built for specific tasks. For example, using VLC media player, I can watch only movie, I cannot play game with it. So this VLC is dedicated to particular one task, whereas software system, it maintain the software resources and give a path for computer software to run. Then system software are a low level language is used to write the system software, whereas high level language are used to write the application software. Well, this low level and high level concept we will discuss later on. Then it is a general purpose software. That means this system software, it perform various general functions. For example, taking care of a process execution, resource management, file management. Okay, these are the general purpose functions of your computer. So all these tasks are managed and controlled by this system software, while application software is a specific purpose software. Without system software, system can't run, while without application software, system always run. For example, in your computer, you have installed Linux or micro window, okay, or if you uninstall one application software, let us say you have uninstalled your Chrome web browser, but obviously you can use your computer with using other application software. But if you uninstall your operating system, can you further run your application, whether it is a system or application? No, without system software it will be difficult to run your system. So these are the difference between a system software and application software. Thanks for watching. We will discuss further next topic in next video. Thank you.